Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Parkside cordless hot glue gun model P8PA4B3. Battery is 4 volt Li-ion 1.5 ampere hours. Max temperature it can go to 170 Celsius. Heat up time is approximately 1 minute. Max working time is 30 minutes when fully charged. Accessories included inside, we're going to find out together. 3 years warranty, designed in Germany. You can use 7mm glue sticks. Great for bonding and sealing as well as craft projects. High performance Li-ion battery, quick heat up time with a display showing heating and battery status. Energy saving function, appliance automatically switch off after 10 minutes of non-use. Ergonomic soft grip, fold out stand, included USB Type-C charger. Nice on that. Let's open it to see inside. And of course, you've got on the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me to find out all about this product. The charger, it is 5 volt 1.7 amp output, USB A to Type C. This is the base. Cable is quite long. You can plug it. We've got inside it glued 6 glue sticks. Diameter, as I said, is 7mm. That is the right diameter that you need to use with this hot glue gun. Nice and small. The stand, take this out, leave it just like that. Trigger, 2 metal contact blades are going here. Red LED, that means it's charging. It will go to green, that means it's fully charged. We've got the on-off switch. Here we've got the temperature indicator. It will go to red when you're going to turn on the unit, and then it will go to green. That means the unit is ready for use. Charging time is about 1 hour, and let's wait until it will charge, and then we're going to test it. We've got green light, fully charged. Just press and hold, and we can see it's on. Green light. We're waiting to go green and this red. This is the temperature control. When it goes to green, we are ready to use it. In the front, we can see it is the output for the glue stick when it's going too hot. Let's insert that inside. We've got a friendly rubber here. That means if it will drop around, you can clean it very easy. Take this out if you want. Now, let's leave it for a while to go green. It takes about 1 minute to reach the temperature that needs to work. Nice. Fits very well to my palm. And there is the green light. Now, I have left it a while and I can see we don't have any anti-dropping. That means it will keep drop the hot glue gun. That is not good. I don't like it. Well, let's see here to this cardboard. And very easy, I can say. It goes the glue out. Quite hot. Well, let's bound together this to see how strong it is. And again, I can see it doesn't have an anti-dropping. That means it's keep dropping some glue. If we are going to leave it just like that. Well, let's try it with other materials to see how strong it is. Now let's try it on a 2 piece of plastic. bound it together. Okay, let's leave it. Let's try on 2 different wood. The amount of glue is good. It's getting very fast out. Okay, let's leave it on that. We will see later. Other type of woods. Clean every time the surface to be clean. It will glue better. You can see sometimes it stops, it's not getting any glue stick out, hot glue. That means it needs to heat up more. Okay, now let's try a glass with tile. Both of the materials are cold. Let's leave it to heat up good, very good, to take out a larger amount of hot glue. I will glue in this area. You can press it and with your fingers to go more in, and then with the trigger. Of course, this is a heavy duty work. You need a bigger amount of glue if you want to stick all this material. We've got a large surface. Okay, nice. This hot glue gun is more for decoration. You can decorate for Christmas and Halloween, for a carnival. You can use it at your free time and do some DIY projects, play with your kids, make some toys. The applications are so many. I'm sure you're gonna find out the right thing to use this hot glue gun. And it cost only 13 euros. The price is very good. I can see now it stops dropping. Sometimes it drops more, sometimes it stops. Well, that is not a big deal. You can leave a hardboard that you are not using it, leave it just like that, and it will drop here. Well, I think the materials now are bounded very well. Let's try with this wood. Yeah, it's very strong, nice. Next, other type of wood. And that it was strong enough, but I have give more force to take it out. And I think it's doing a great job. It's gluing very well. And of course this cardboard, you remember, that was the first material together. You can see it's bounded very well. You can use it, of course, and for fabrics. Why not? I'm sure you're gonna find out the right fabric to use it and the right projects that you want to do. And the last one, it is the tile with the glass. Oh yeah, and that is very strong, I can say. Nice. Thumbs up, it's doing a good job. I don't want, maybe I will break the glass. And the plastic, of course. And that is very good. I will break it. Yep, it's doing a great job. I think it will stay very strong with all the materials. That was all, guys. If you need something like that, well, just buy it. The price is very low. It is small, portable. You can take it with you. And with this lovely base, you can leave it and charge it instantly. It will go red and charge. You can charge it as you're working. Maybe you can leave it here, working, just waiting to do something else, and then just leave it and it will keep charging. That's how you will have every time battery to use it for a long time. That was all, guys. Use it at your free time, play with your kids, do some creativity things. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Again, thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like what you like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.